In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add borders or captions to images in Google Docs. Whether you're creating a professional document or simply sprucing up a personal project, adding borders or captions to your images can make your document much more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive right in and explore this step-by-step process to enhance your Google Docs with just a few clicks. First things first, to add a border to your image, begin by highlighting the image within your Google document. You will know the image is highlighted when a blue outline appears around it, indicating it's ready for editing. This step is crucial as it activates the formatting tools specific to images. Once your image is highlighted, glance towards the toolbar at the top. Click on Border Weight, which you'll find under the Format options. This is where you can choose how thick or thin you'd like the border around your image. Selecting a specific border weight will instantly apply that thickness to your image. You have a range of options, from a subtle slim line to a more pronounced thick border, depending on the statement you wish to make. Next, let's personalize your border even further by selecting a border color. Again, head back to the toolbar, and this time click on Border Color. You'll be presented with a palette of shades to choose from. Clicking on your preferred color will set the border's hue, adding a pop of color that complements your document's theme or draws the reader's eye in the way you want. Now that we've completed styling the border, let's move on to adding a caption below your image. First, adjust the text line by pressing Enter to ensure there's space for your caption right under the image. This will avoid any layout mishaps where your caption might overlap with other text or elements in your document. To add the caption itself, click on Insert from the main menu, then hover over Drawing. In the submenu, click on New to start creating your caption inside a drawing. A new window will open up, and once there, click on Text Box to create a field where you can write your caption. You can drag and drop the text box within the drawing space to position it exactly where you'd like it. Type in your desired caption text, making it as descriptive or succinct as needed to add context to your image. Once you're satisfied with the caption, click on Save and Close in the top right corner. This will insert your captioned drawing into the document directly under your image, making it easy to read and visually appealing. And there you have it. You've successfully added a border and caption to your image in Google Docs, giving your document that extra touch of professionalism and clarity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in creating more dynamic and visually engaging documents.